All right, so now we're going to take a look at number 6 that was on the MCA. It's a little calmer in lighting in here this afternoon, but you can still see enough, I hope. Not like you really want to see me while you're going through these. But here's the application of a complex number. So as you see here, in an AC circuit, the voltage V and current C and impedance I are related in the formula V equals CI. Find the voltage with current 7 minus 2J amps and impedance with 12 plus 3J ohms. Now, don't get confused with the J's as opposed to I's. It's the same idea, same concept, okay? So don't get confused by that. So now, as you see, we already have the formula here. So what's the operation that we're supposed to be doing? Well, pretty straightforward. If I have anything that just says 2 letters like this, CI, means I'm multiplying. So let's substitute those values in. And I put them in as I just because of the fact that that's what we're used to seeing. So I don't want to throw anyone off with suddenly going in and having a different letter there when really it's the exact same stuff that we've been doing. So we're going to do just like we did before. We're going to take this 7 times 12. We're going to take this 7 times 3i. We're going to take the negative 2i times 12. And we're going to take the negative 2i times 3i. All right, so now we just multiply all that out. Instead of making it a little bit longer, I figured I'd already have them done in advance. So if you take a look, this is how we go through. 7 times the 12, that's 84. Then I have 7 times 3i, positive 21i. Then we have a negative 24i. Then we have a negative 6i squared. Now remember from one of the other examples, whenever I have something that is I squared, so this part here, what does that equal? Hopefully, I'm hearing in grand unison every single person who's watching this right now say -1. Well, if that's the case, then what does that whole thing become? Well, this whole thing right here now becomes positive 6. Okay. Now I'm going to combine all my like terms. So let's scroll this down a little bit more. So now, as you see, I've got this part coming into here. So now I've got 90. And then we've got to deal with my combining of the parts with the I. So I have 90 minus 3I. Okay, and that's the voltage. All right, so voltage is equal to 90 minus 3I. There you go. There you have it. There's numbers 6, actually, on the MCA review. All right, thank you. Bye.